Hey everyone, ready to boost your English in a fun and practical way?
Hi, friends. Welcome back to the English Talk Show, or if it's your first time here, we're so glad you joined us.
I'm Peter,
And I'm Erika. We're your hosts, and we're here to help you improve your English with simple, everyday phrases.
and we speak clearly, slowly, and with real-life examples. So even if you're a beginner, you'll understand everything.
That's right. And we do it in a relaxed, natural way, like a friendly conversation.
So if you want to speak English more confidently in your daily life, this is the place to be.
Our goal is to help you learn English in a way that feels easy and natural, without boring textbooks or pressure.
Today's topic is a good one. We're talking about common English expressions, the kind you hear every day but maybe don't fully understand yet.
These are the phrases that make you sound more fluent and more like a native speaker.
Some of them are really simple, but trust me, they make a big difference in how you sound and how well you connect with people.
So, stick with us until the end of the episode. You're going to learn a lot today.
And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an episode.
Yes, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell us which expression was new for you or how you'd use it in a sentence.
Okay, let's dive into it. Erica, what's our first expression of the day?
Let's start with a classic. It's not a big deal. Have you heard that one before?
Oh yes, we say that all the time. It means something is not serious or not worth worrying about.
Exactly. For example, if someone steps on your foot and says, "I'm sorry," you might say, "It's not a big deal."
Right. You're saying, don't worry about it. It's okay.
And this is super useful in casual conversations. You'll hear it everywhere, in movies, on the street, at work.
And it helps you sound more relaxed and friendly when you speak English.
Okay, here's another one. No worries. It means something very similar.
Yeah, it's another way to say, it's fine, or don't worry about it.
For example, if someone is late and apologizes, you can say, "No worries. I just got here too."
These little phrases help you connect better. They make conversations smoother.
And they're super common. Even native speakers use them dozens of times a day.
Do you use any of these phrases already? If so, let us know in the comments.
Or, if it's your first time hearing them, tell us how you might use them in a sentence.
All right, let's keep going. The next expression is, that makes sense.
Ah, that one's so useful. We use it when we understand something or when something is logical.
For example, if someone explains why they were late, maybe there was traffic, you can say, ah, that makes sense.
It's a nice way to show understanding. Instead of just saying, "Okay," you show that you get it.
And you'll hear this one a lot, especially in conversations where people are explaining or sharing opinions.
All right, next up, "I'm not sure." Super basic, but very real and very common.
Totally. It means you don't know something for sure. Maybe you're guessing or you need more information.
Like if someone asks, "Is the meeting at 2 or 3?" You can say, "I'm not sure. Let me check."
And sometimes it's just polite to say, I'm not sure, instead of saying, I don't know.
Yeah, it sounds softer and more thoughtful, right?
Here's another one I like. It depends.
Oh, I love that one. So natural. We say it when the answer changes depending on the situation.
Exactly. Like, if someone asks, do you like working from home? You can say, it depends on the day.
Or it depends on my mood. Simple, flexible, real-life English.
These phrases aren't complicated, but they really help make your English more conversational.
And they help avoid just saying yes or no all the time.
Okay, next, I'm just kidding.
A classic. You say this after a joke or when you want someone to know you weren't being serious.
Like, you're so late. You owe me a coffee. I'm just kidding.
It helps keep things friendly and light, especially if you think your joke might be misunderstood.
Another similar one is just joking, but I'm just kidding is more common in the US.
And it shows that you don't want the other person to feel bad or confused.
All right, next one is I get it.
That one is really common in casual conversations. It means, I understand.
Exactly. It's like, yeah, I see your point, or I understand how you feel.
For example, I get it. Work has been stressful lately. It shows empathy, too.
Much more natural than just saying, I understand all the time, right?
Yeah, it's shorter, more emotional, and really connects with people.
Let's move on to the next one. For real?
Ah, yes, this one is super informal and shows surprise or disbelief. It's like saying, are you serious?
Exactly. Someone says, I won the lottery. And you go, for real?
You can also just say it with a smile when something sounds too good to be true.
Another one that fits well is, no way.
Totally. It means the same thing. Surprise, shock, disbelief. Like, no way, that's amazing.
You can say it when something is exciting or when something unexpected happens.
All right, next phrase. Take your time.
A very polite and friendly phrase. You say it when you don't want someone to rush.
Like, if someone is feeling nervous or trying to explain something, you can say, take your time.
It shows patience and kindness. Super useful in everyday conversations.
Okay, now one of my favorites. That's a good point.
Oh, yes. It's great when you're having a discussion and you want to show respect for someone's opinion.
Exactly. It means, I agree with that idea, or that makes sense.
For example, we should save more money. That's a good point.
It helps keep the conversation positive and respectful, especially in debates.
Here's another super common one. I'll think about it.
We use that when we don't want to give a quick answer or decision.
Someone says, do you want to go on a trip this weekend? You might reply, I'll think about it.
It gives you space without saying yes or no right away.
Okay, next expression. I'm on it.
Love that one. It means I'm already doing it or I'll take care of it.
At work, if your boss asks you to send an email, you can say, I'm on it.
It sounds confident and responsible. It's quick, clear, and efficient.
All right, one more before we move on. Fingers crossed.
Oh, that's a fun one. It means you're hoping for good luck.
Like, I have a job interview tomorrow. Fingers crossed.
It's friendly and shows support. You can even cross your fingers physically when you say it.
All right, let's keep the momentum going. Next expression sounds good.
Super common. It means you agree with a plan or suggestion. It's like saying, okay, I like that idea.
Yeah, someone says, let's meet at 5. And you reply, sounds good.
It's simple, but it keeps the tone friendly and positive.
And it's way better than just saying okay every time.
Definitely. All right, the next one is, let me see.
Ooh, I use this all the time when I need a second to think.
Me too. It gives you a moment to pause and organize your thoughts. Like, let me see. I think the address was 45 Main Street.
It's great in conversations because it keeps things moving even when you're not totally sure yet.
All right, next up, that's true.
A simple way to agree with someone. It shows you're listening and thinking.
Like, gas prices are going up. Yeah, that's true.
You can also use it when you change your mind during a conversation. Like, that's true. I didn't think of that.
And that keeps things respectful and thoughtful.
Okay, next phrase. I've heard that before.
Great for showing familiarity with an idea. It means you're not surprised.
For example, chocolate is good for your brain.
Yeah, I've heard that before. It's polite and neutral. You're not saying you believe it, just that you've heard it.
All right, here's a fun one. You never know.
I love this one. It's about possibilities, like anything can happen.
Someone says, maybe I'll win the contest. And you reply, hey, you never know.
It adds hope and a little excitement to the conversation.
Exactly. And you can use it in serious or playful situations.
Okay, next phrase. It's up to you.
That's a great one. It means you decide. You're giving someone the choice.
Like, where should we eat? It's up to you.
It shows flexibility and politeness. You're not being pushy.
And sometimes it's just easier to let the other person choose.
All right, let's keep rolling. Our next phrase is, that's interesting.
You will hear this a lot. It's a polite way to respond when someone shares something new or unexpected.
Yeah, even if you don't know what to say right away, that's interesting keeps the conversation going.
For example, I used to live in a treehouse.
Wow, that's interesting. It works in casual and serious conversations. Just change your tone depending on the topic.
All right, next up. It doesn't matter.
Great one. It means it's not important or don't worry about it.
Someone might say, sorry, I forgot to bring your pen. And you say, oh, it doesn't matter.
It shows you're easygoing. Very useful in everyday situations.
Okay, how about this one? Long time no see.
That's a fun and friendly greeting when you haven't seen someone in a while.
Exactly. It's informal, and it always brings a smile. Like, hey, long time no see.
You might hear it from old friends or coworkers you haven't seen in months.
It's a warm way to reconnect without being too formal.
All right, next one. I'm used to it.
That means something was difficult at first, but now it's normal for you.
Like, waking up early was hard at first, but now I'm used to it.
You can use it for anything. New routines, habits, even weather.
Okay, next expression. It's worth it.
Oh, I say this one a lot. It means something is difficult, but the result is good.
For example, climbing the mountain was hard, but the view was amazing. It was worth it.
A very positive phrase. It shows effort pays off.
Another one we hear all the time is, that's the plan.
You use it to confirm what you intend to do. Like, are you going to study tonight? Yep, that's the plan.
It makes you sound focused and organized, even if the plan might change later.
Okay, next. I'll pass.
Very common. It means you're choosing not to do something.
Like, want another slice of cake? No thanks, I'll pass.
It's polite, short, and avoids sounding rude or negative.
And it's often used in casual settings, especially with friends.
Let's keep going. The next expression is, I'm good, thanks.
That's a polite way to say, no thank you, when someone offers you something.
Like, do you want more coffee? I'm good, thanks.
It's super common in casual conversations, and it sounds friendly.
All right, next one. I'm in.
Love that one. It means you agree to join a plan or activity.
For example, we're going to the beach this weekend.
Count me in. I'm in.
It shows enthusiasm. It's short, clear, and fun to say. Here's another. I'm out. The opposite. It means you're not joining.
Like, we're staying out late tonight. Nah, I'm out. I need to rest.
It's super casual, but very natural in group conversations.
Next expression. I'm all ears.
That means you're listening carefully. Like, tell me your story, I'm all ears.
It's a friendly way to show interest. People love hearing that.
All right, how about hang in there?
Yes, it's something you say to encourage someone who's going through a hard time.
Like, I've been working non-stop.
Hang in there. You're doing great.
It shows support, a little phrase that means a lot. Okay, here's a fun one. You've got this.
Another encouraging phrase. It means you can do it.
You might say it to a friend before a big test or job interview. You've got this.
Simple words, but powerful motivation.
Now this one is everywhere. It is what it is.
Totally. It means you accept a situation, even if it's not perfect.
Like, the flight is delayed again.
Well, it is what it is.
It's a way to stay calm and realistic. All right, we've shared so many great expressions today.
And these are all used in real conversations by native speakers every single day.
If you've made it this far, amazing job. You're serious about improving your English.
We hope you learned something new and useful today.
And remember, practice using these phrases in your daily life. Don't just memorize them.
Try writing a sentence with each one, or say them out loud to yourself during the day.
And let us know in the comments which expression was your favorite or which one you're going to try using this week.
We read every comment and love hearing from you.
If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the English Talk Show so you don't miss any of our episodes.
And hit that like button if you found this episode helpful.
Thanks so much for joining us today.
And until next time, keep practicing, stay confident, and
Keep talking English every day.
bye for now.